Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking to simplify, to pare down, your wallet is a great place to start. I'm really loving this one from Badiya. It is super compact, but it fits everything I need. I was a little apprehensive to get a smaller wallet because you know that you can have so many cards, so many things that you carry around. But this little baby has so much storage. There are 13 card slots. There are 3 windows. So if you want to put your license in there, a photo, whatever you want to have easy to see. It has a zippered compartment with a really beautiful golden zipper. Very pretty, but also super practical to throw your cash or your change in. It opens up really nicely because it has a hinge. So I like that I can access everything with no struggle at all. And of course it has the clasp so you can keep it all together. Mine is in this beautiful khaki color, very classy. It's well made, it holds together very well, the stitching is perfect. And of course it's RFID blocking, so you don't have to worry about your cards being vulnerable in this wallet. So if you're like me and you are moving to a much smaller purse, this is great for that. It's very compact, it fits awesome, but it packs a ton of stuff. So I definitely think you'll love this wallet, and that's my point of view.